Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can copy multiple URLs in a Chrome browser. For example, here I can open 13 URLs and now I want to get all the URLs within a single click. How I can do that? I need to search for extension, copy all URLs Chrome extension, then enter. Now you can scroll down and you need to install extension, this one, copy all URLs, click here. After that, click on the button add to Chrome, then add extension. So extension is added. If you want to add this extension on the top, you can click here. After that, now if you want to copy all these URLs, just you can click here and after that click on the copy button. Here you can see all the URLs are copied. Now you can save these URLs in any file that you want. Here you can see these are all the URLs that are open in this browser. So thank you for watching video.